In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how expectations influences your perception. Many years ago, there was a widowed farmer and he had 2 sons and they were 3 years apart. When the eldest son got to 15, he said, "I haven't got no jobs on the farm for you." So he walked his son into the town in the hopes that he would find work. And on the way, he bid his son farewell. And on his journey into life, he told him, "Don't trust anybody, son, because everyone will want to steal from you. If you let them, they will. Most people are selfish, so look after yourself and always put yourself first." The son tearfully hugged his father, and with the advice given, he went into the world to set himself up. 3 years later, the young boy came of age to leave home. But this time his father had fallen in love and married again. And he had mellowed with age. And he smiled a lot more. And he felt good. And walking his son to town, this time he said, "Son, go into the world, find the joy that lies out there. And to your fellow men, trust them. And love them, care for them, show compassion. Oh, and one more thing, son, find the love of your life. Find a woman that can love and allow you to love you. Then you will have the world." The brothers had had no contact with each other for over 25 years, until the sad day of their father's funeral. And as they sat down at the wake with a pint of beer, they were reminiscing. And you know what? Both of them had lived the life that their father had said. It was exactly as the father had said. Each of them have found the world exactly as the father had described it to them. So that's it. It is the life that you believe in. So what do you believe? Have a great day. Bye.